Welcome to our theme hotel.
I am here to check in.
What is your name, sir?
My name is Tom Smith.
We have your booking here.
Room number 502.
I am very sorry, sir.
What is the problem?
That room is already occupied.
But that is our favorite room.
I apologize for the situation.
We loved that forest theme.
Please sit on the sofa.
Are you going to fix this?
I will verify the situation.
I will wait right there.
What did the receptionist say?
Our room is already occupied.
Is she kidding me?
Someone else is staying there.
We booked in advance.
Yes, I have the email.
Why is there a mistake?
We will find a solution.
I am very worried now.
There will definitely be a room.
I wanted the forest theme.
We will find a better one.
I hope you are right.
Hello, David. I need help.
What is the problem, Emma?
Why is room 502 occupied?
Which theme is that room?
It is the forest theme.
I gave it to a guest.
Mr. Smith booked it online.
Oh my goodness, I got the wrong room number.
Can we move that guest?
No, they are staying 4 days.
This is a huge problem.
I am very sorry, Emma.
I have to tell Mr. Smith.
Please apologize to him for me.
I will talk to him now. Thank you for waiting, sir.
Did you fix the problem?
I am truly very sorry.
What happened to our room?
My colleague made a terrible mistake.
Then what should we do?
We cannot give you that room.
Where are we going to sleep?
We have other theme rooms.
What if we are not satisfied?
Our staff will show you around.
Until we find a good one?
Yes, until you are perfectly satisfied.
Every room is a different theme?
Yes, they are all unique.
Okay, show us the rooms.
This is our first room.
It is very dark inside.
The window is a little small.
I need a big window.
Let's see the next room.
Thank you for your patience.
This is the second floor.
The room is very big,
It has a city view.
but the street is noisy.
Do you want a quiet room?
Yes, I need good sleep.
How about this jungle theme?
The walls are too green.
There are many fake plants.
It feels very strange here.
Not everyone likes the jungle.
I am sorry, I am picky.
We have other themes.
I hope it is fed.
This is the space theme.
Wow, look at the ceiling.
Those are painted stars.
They are glowing.
It is our special design.
It feels like real space.
Do you like the lights?
Yes, they are beautiful.
The bed is very big.
I can rest very well.
Do you want this room?
Yes, it is absolutely perfect.
I thought we would never find one.
But we found the perfect room.
Walking around made me very tired.
Are you angry at me?
I thought all the rooms were fine.
I do not agree with you.
You are very picky, Sarah.
A comfortable room is very important.
I just wanted to sleep.
We need good rest to be happy.
You are right about that.
We came here for a vacation.
We must be happy.
I cannot sleep in a bad room.
This space room is actually amazing.
Yes, I am very happy now.
Hi, I want to have a movie night outdoors.
Fun! You need a portable projector.
Which one is good for outdoors?
This one has high brightness, perfect for outside.
How big is the picture?
Up to 100 inches.
That is like a real movie theater.
It connects to your phone too.
By Bluetooth?
Yes, or HDMI cable.
How much is it?
$89, on sale today.
Great deal. Do I need a screen?
A white bedsheet works great.
Really? That simple?
Yes, hang it on a wall or fence.
What about speakers?
This Bluetooth speaker is waterproof.
How much?
$29.
I will take the projector and speaker.
$118 total. Enjoy.
Hi, I need snacks for a movie night.
Popcorn is a must.
Do you have microwavable popcorn?
Yes, butter flavor is the most popular.
I will take 2 boxes.
Any candy?
Gummy bears and chocolate.
Family size bags?
Yes, please. And chips.
We have a movie night combo deal.
What is included?
Popcorn, candy, chips, and soda.
All for one price?
$15 for the whole bundle.
That is a great deal.
It serves about 8 people.
Perfect. We are inviting neighbors.
Sounds like a fun night.
Do you have juice boxes for kids?
Right here, apple and grape.
1 pack of each. Thank you.
Enjoy the movie.
Where should we hang the screen?
On the fence, it is flat and big.
Use these clips to hold the sheet.
Done, it is nice and tight.
Now the projector.
I will put it on the patio table.
Is it aimed at the screen? Let me adjust.
There, perfect.
The picture is so clear.
And the speaker?
Next to the projector. Connect Bluetooth.
Connected. Music is playing.
Now the seating.
Camp chairs and blankets?
Yes, and pillows on the blankets.
This feels like a real outdoor theater.
String lights for decoration.
Around the trees, perfect.
Everything is ready.
Showtime is at 8.
Hi, Lisa. Movie night at our place tonight.
Outdoor movie night. How cool.
We bought a projector.
What movie are you showing?
Finding Nemo for the kids.
My kids love that movie.
Starts at 8.
Can I bring anything?
Just yourselves. We have all the snacks.
Popcorn?
Of course. Butter flavor.
My kids will be so excited.
Mike and Karen are coming too.
A neighborhood movie night.
Every summer Saturday if this works.
I love that idea.
We might need more chairs.
I have 4 camp chairs.
Bring them. That would help.
See you at 8.
See you tonight.
Need any help, Sarah?
Can you carry these blankets outside?
Of course. How many?
4 big ones for the kids.
The backyard looks amazing.
Thank you. Tom set up the projector.
The picture is so big.
100 inches.
Better than my living room TV.
Want some popcorn?
I thought you would never ask.
Butter or plain?
Extra butter, please.
A man after my own heart.
Do you have hot chocolate too?
Yes, with marshmallows.
This is better than a real movie theater.
No expensive tickets?
And no one shushing you.
Exactly.
Best idea ever, Sarah.
Tom, this is incredible.
Thank you. We just wanted to try.
The kids are so quiet. They love it.
Popcorn keeps them busy.
The picture is so clear on the sheet.
A white sheet is all you need.
How much was the projector?
$89 on sale.
That is so affordable.
And the speaker was $29.
We should take turns hosting.
Great idea. A different house each time.
And a different movie.
The kids can vote on the movie.
Democracy in action.
Exactly.
This is my favorite neighborhood tradition.
And it just started tonight.
Shh, my favorite part is coming.
Okay, quiet time.
Intermission. Time for more snacks.
This is just like the movies.
Gummy bears or chocolate?
Both. I cannot choose.
Good answer. Hot chocolate refill?
Yes, please. Extra marshmallows.
The kids are having the best time.
They do not want to go inside.
The stars are out tonight, too.
A movie under the stars. Magical.
We should do this every month.
What movie next time?
The kids want Toy Story.
A classic. Great choice.
Your house next month?
We would love to host.
We can lend you the projector.
Deal. This is the best neighborhood.
Because of the people in it.
That was the best evening.
The kids fell asleep during the ending.
So cute, wrapped in blankets.
Popcorn all over the blankets, though.
That means they had fun.
Did you enjoy the movie?
I cried at the end, again.
It is a very emotional movie.
The projector was perfect.
I was worried about the brightness.
It was great, crystal clear.
The speaker sounded amazing, too.
We should do themed nights.
Like what?
Disney night or nature documentary night.
I love nature documentaries.
Thank you for tonight, Tom.
Thank you for coming.
Good night. See you next movie night.
Good night, Lisa. Sleep well.
What a magical night.
The kids' faces were priceless.
And the stars were incredible.
A movie under the stars.
Better than any movie theater.
And free.
Well, after the projector cost.
One-time investment. Lifetime of fun.
Everyone loved it.
Bill wants to host next month.
With Toy Story?
The Neighborhood Movie Club.
I love that name.
We make a great team.
The best team.
I will take down the screen tomorrow.
Leave the lights up. They are pretty.
Good idea. Good night, Backyard Theater.
Good night, stars.
See you next movie night.
I cannot wait.